Seeking approval from others can trap you in a cycle of self-doubt. The first step to breaking free is recognizing your worth. Your value doesn't come from what others think, but from who you are and what you do. Instead of waiting for validation, ask yourself, do I approve of myself? Next, understand that you can't please everyone. No matter how hard you try, someone will always disagree or judge you. Accepting this frees you from the fear of rejection. Focus on doing what aligns with your values rather than chasing external validation. Another key is making your own decisions. When faced with a choice, don't ask, what will others think? Ask, what do I truly want? The more you practice deciding for yourself, the stronger your independence grows. Also, embrace discomfort. When you stop seeking approval, you might feel uneasy at first. That's normal. Push through it and remind yourself that self-respect matters more than temporary discomfort. Finally, surround yourself with the right people. Be with those who encourage your authenticity, not those who expect you to conform. True confidence comes from within, and once you stop chasing approval, you'll find real freedom.